Welcome guys, this is Crypto Talker right here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to be mastering your candlestick pattern in crypto trading. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys some process on how to go through the mastering of a candlestick. Okay, so before we get started, if you have not signed up for a business account, kindly use the link in the comment section of this video to create an account and you're good to go. Okay, so you know what we are talking about here, how to make money from trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so first of all, uh, okay, the first thing we'll be knowing about this, first of all, we'll be knowing what candlestick is. Okay, we know what candlestick is. So in crypto trading and all finance markets, a candlestick is a type of chart used to show price movements over a specified time period, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day. Each candlestick gives you four key pieces of information. Okay, so here they are. So what a candlestick show is given the time period a candlestick tells you. Open, we have close, we have high and we have low. So in open, the price at the beginning of the time period. Okay, so also in close, we have the price at the end of the time period. Okay, while in high, we have the highest price reached during the time period, and in low, we have the lowest price reached during the time period. Okay, so you have to understand what candlestick is before we can move on. Okay, so after this, we'll be heading to our next phrase. Okay, how to read a candlestick. How to read a candlestick. Okay, over here we have the highest price. We have the highest price, that is the highest price over here, and the upper wick. This is the upper wick. This is the upper wick over here, the body over here. Then we have the closing price, where you can see it here. Okay, so this big green stuff over here is called bullish candle. Bullish candle is the body of the candle, but the candle body. Okay, the green part is called a bullish, and the red is called a bearish candle. Okay, so this is the body of the candle. So down here we have the opening price. Okay, we have the opening price, the lowest wick and the lowest price. Okay, over here the buyers pushed it over to the highest price. Okay, and sellers push it down to the closing price over here, where you can see it. Buyers push it up to the highest price, and sellers push it down here. Okay, so over here we have, over at our bearish candle, we have the highest price. Okay, this is the upper wick and the opening price. As you know, this is the body of the candle. This is the candle body. Okay, here we have the closing price and the lowest wick with the lowest price down here. Okay, so over here, sellers pushed it down. Sellers push it down, and buyers pushed it up again to over here, where you have the closing price. Sellers push it up. Sorry, buyers push it up to here, where we have the closing price. Buyers pushed it up over here to the closing price, while sellers pushed it down here to the lowest price. Okay, so this is the body, and put you guys through to all this process. So moving to the next phrase, let's see. Okay, so candlesticks types and candlesticks types we look for. Okay, candlesticks types we look for. Okay, number one, candlesticks with long wicks. The longer the wicks, the better. The candle will show how the buyers and sellers tried to push price higher or lower, but failed, which caused the wick to form. Okay, so let me just show you guys an example let's see, let's head back. Okay, something like this, as you can see it over here. So buyers pushed it over here to the highest point, that is the highest price. They pushed it over to the highest price, which sellers also pushed it down. Over here you can see the lowest, the closing price over here. So that's what it's trying to tell you, where buyers push it up. Let's come over here to the bearish candle over here also. You can see it where sellers pushed it down to the lowest price, and buyers also pushed it up to the closing price over here. They push it up to the closing price over here. Okay, that's an example of what we're talking about. So let's head back to number two. Okay, okay, so number two, have momentum on um momentum engulfing candlesticks is when the body of the candle is a lot larger than the wick, or the wick, and oftentimes they do not even have wicks. Okay, this candles show the strength of the buyers and the sellers in control. Okay, so let me just put you guys through an example on that. Okay, so here we have it. Okay, here we have it. So this is what it means. So you can see it over here. Buyers pushed it uh, up to this length, to the high, this length. Okay, while sellers push it down to this length, closing price. Okay, and also we have it over here, so we can see it where buyers push it to the highest length. Okay, and sellers pushed it over here. Sellers push it over here. Okay, as I said, buyers came and pushed the price up here at this long wick. Sellers came and pushed it down here. Okay, so at this point also, okay, so sellers try to push the price down. Sellers try to push the price down, and buyers pushed it back up. Push it back up. Also with this, sellers tried to push it down, and also buyers pushed it back up. Pushed it back up. Okay, so we'll be moving to the next step. So let's head. Okay, so here we have a bullish. Okay, so here we have first of all we have the bullish Gothic candle. Okay, which is more bigger than the bearish Gothic candle. You can see it, they appear to be bigger. They appear to be bigger over here. Okay, you can see it where the buyers are in control. Anytime you see the buyers are in control. Okay, you can see the height of where the buyers they took they bought and reached this level, this height. Okay, over here we have the bearish Gothic. Okay, have the bearish Gothic. Okay, sorry, where the sellers are in control. The sellers are in control over here. Sellers are in control. Buyers came over, they bought, but the sellers they sold. Sellers came and brought it down. You can see it over here. When buyers came to, they bought, and the sellers brought it down. Okay, so we just move to the next step. So okay, so here we have types of candlesticks. Types of candlesticks over here. Okay, okay, so first of all we have the long wick candle, which you can see it over here. The long wick candle, which is facing down. Okay, so we have the multiple long wick. This is it. Okay, we have the inverted hammer. Which you can see it over here. And also the inside bar. The inside bar is showing over here. Okay, we have the tweezer button over here. Bullish kicker gap is it over here. We have the shrinking candles. Okay, you can see it as it's following, is shrinking down over to this length. And we also have the growing candles. You can see it as it's growing. Okay, it grows or it grow over to this length. Okay, this is the color change. The color change, you can see it as it appears over here. Okay, we have the momento candle. Okay, this is it over here, and we also have the doji candle, the doji candle. This is it, and also the dragonfly doji. Okay, this is it. So we'll move, let me show you guys. We also have more types of candlesticks. Okay, okay, so this is the long wick candle under bearish. That's this is under bearish, so we just finished over here. This is the bullish. Okay, so we are under bearish right now. Okay, this is the long wick candle, and we have the multiple long wick candle over here. We have the hanging man, you can see it over here. The inside bar, this is it. Okay, we have the tweezer top. This is the tweezer top. Okay, the bearish kicker gap, this is it. These are it looks. Okay, okay, so this is the shrinking candle, the shrinking candles over here, and this is the growing candles over here under the bearish. Okay, and we have the color change. This is the color change as it appears over here. This is the momento candle, you can see it over here as it appears. Okay, this is the doji candle. Okay, and this is the greystone doji. Okay, this is the greystone doji. Okay, these are the types of candlestick, okay, that we have. So why are candlesticks important? Okay, why are candlestick important? Okay, use candlestick as a leading indicator of what buyers and sellers are thinking of doing. Next, meaning the candlesticks pattern that forms at the particular moment tells you a lot about what is going on in terms of the buyers and the sellers occurring in the market. Okay, so we can see it over here. You can see it over here where buyers they pushed it up to this range. Okay, they pushed it up to this range. Okay, you can see it over here also where buyers pushed it up, and sellers came over here and they brought it down. They brought it down to the lowest, and it fell to the lowest point. Okay, fell to the lowest point. Okay, so you can see the height of which buyers took it, and it came down. It came down to this point. Okay, so that is it. And we also have here, so the wick, that is this the wick, and the wick sticking out at the level shown at the reaction to the level, meaning buyers and sellers actually taking actions. Okay, they are taking actions over here. You can see it as I just said, where buyers took it over to this line, they took it to this level. Okay, and sellers also came down and brought it, they also brought it down, to this level. Okay, so they are taking actions over here. Buyers and sellers are taking action. Okay, so taking action means buyer and seller are taking profit at a level, and sellers opening short positions at the level. This double action triggers the trend change. Okay, this double action triggers the trend change. Okay, you can see it. So they are taking profit, as you can see. So the buyers, as they brought it over here, they took their profit, which the sellers came down here and brought it to this level, and they also took their profit. Okay, so this is the trigger we are also talking about, the trigger of price changing. Okay, which is being shown over here. So so buyers are doing some actions over here, which trigger this. Okay, at the market. Okay, which is being shown here. Okay, guys, so that's basically what we have to learn about candlesticks. So make sure you understand all these steps which was being given, and make sure you study your candlesticks, know the types of your candlesticks, from your bullish and your bearish. Okay, and understand it better. Okay guys, so in the next video I'll be explaining better about our candlesticks. I'll be showing you guys more guide. Okay, so guys, my WhatsApp link will be posted in the comment section, so you just click on it to join the WhatsApp community in case you have any question to ask, so you ask and we can solve it. Okay, so we can solve it together. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to this channel. And also guys, don't forget to click at the link in the comment section to sign up for your Binex account. Just register your Binex account, and you're good to go. So guys, I would like to know where you're watching from. Are you in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, US, Uganda, UK? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. This is Crypto Talker here. Peace out.